Hi everybody, my name is Scott. Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today we're talking about the marketing principle of orientation when it comes to your website. I go to Home Depot a lot, and chances are I'm only looking for one little screw, right? And I go up and down the aisles and I look and I look and I look, but I can't find it. And eventually I give up and I have to talk to one of those guys with those orange vests on. And I usually like to find the guy that has 26 patches and pins because those people know what they're talking about, right? And when I say, this is kind of what I'm looking for, he goes, I know exactly what you're talking about. And he takes me to the aisle and he pulls out the drawer and he hands me the screw. And I feel so thankful that he served me in this way. The same is true when it comes to our websites. If someone is looking for something on your website and can't find it, it's an incredibly frustrating experience for them. And chances are they're going to be gone because people evaluate websites in 1.3 seconds. If they can't find what they're looking for, they're out of there. And you want to have a website that orients people to what they're looking for. So you have to have menus that are clear. You have to have verbiage that is clear. You have to have buttons and funnels that are clearly orienting someone all along the journey. Because the more you do that well, and you have all these badges on your Home Depot website vest, the better chances that visitor is going to be converted into a paying customer. And if you need help with that, give us a call. We love to help businesses secure front page placement, but when they get to your website, we don't want to just have them leave immediately. We want them to stay and stick around. And we help you orient your visitors so that they will be converted into paying customers. All right, that's 2 Minute Tuesday, and we'll talk to you next week.